Hey y'all, hey, it's Brittany, Britannia718, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see weekly videos from me. This week is a completely different video. We're not talking about Sister Locks this week. I'm going to be talking about the keto diet, the ketogenic diet. I'm not going to go into great detail as to what it actually is and how it works. Just know that you're eating high fat, moderate protein, and low carb. And I've been doing this since July 15th, excuse me. And this is my 4th week on it. And y'all, I am excited, okay? I love this thing and I'm super duper excited. So on July 17th, I stepped on the scale and the scale said, yep, those are in pounds. That is not in ounces. That is not in anything but pounds, okay? That's not like moon weight. That is on earth. That is human body weight that I weighed. And I'm not upset. I knew I was, listen, I knew. I just knew it because, I knew. I felt it. And yesterday, August 8th, stepped on the scale and I weighed. So yeah, I have lost a little over 18 pounds in those 4 weeks. Of course, in the beginning it was water weight, but when I saw, because my scale, it actually measures your body fat, and now that I see the body fat going down on the scale, I'm excited, okay? I've been at this weight for the past 2-3 weeks, so it's just been there. I'm not really sure what I need to do to kind of get myself out of this range. So if anybody that's on keto and they have any suggestions, please leave them down below because I would love to know what to help to get me out of this little plateau. Real quick, the first 3 days on this, I thought I was going to die. I thought my life was coming to an end. I had a headache. When I tell you I had a headache, oh God, I was so irritable. Everything annoyed me, and that was just more than usual. And now it's actually safe to say that I feel so good now. And I'm not just saying this because everybody that you follow that does keto says wonderful things about it once you're actually getting into ketosis. But I feel good. I don't feel heavy. I don't feel sluggish. When I'm tired, I sleep, and I sleep restfully. And that could be partly because I take magnesium right before I go to bed, and they say that helps you to get a restful night's sleep. Just in case people ask me what I eat and drink, I drink water. I haven't had liquor. I haven't had anything except for water these past 4 weeks. Mainly, I would eat eggs and a sausage or something in the morning. I'll add some sour cream or cream cheese to it to get some more fats. I'll have a salad, or I'll eat a burger with no bun wrapped in lettuce. Shout out to Five Guys, cause I bought this sugar-free ketchup from Publix. I'll insert a picture so you guys can see which sugar-free ketchup I use. I have my own little mayo. I carry that all in my lunch bag, so this way I don't feel the urge to use things that I'm not supposed to have. And I track everything on my MyFitnessPal, and it's been holding me accountable. It lets me know how much I should be eating and should not be eating. But I never thought that I would be on something this long and find success with it. So I'm ready for some more weight to drop off, you know what I'm saying? I started working out, and I'm enjoying. Y'all, I've been having more energy even when I'm working out. I feel more energized. So overall, I'm excited. If any of you are doing keto, please be sure to let me know. Let me know what tips, how long you've been doing it, how's it working for you. I want to know everything. I'm so excited. So yeah, that's really it. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, subscribe if you're not. Tell your mom and them I said to subscribe. And I'll see y'all soon. Later.